welcome back. I am right now in gym of top of right now. Warm up is complete. Right now I am rest small and time duration, and then I am working out the posterior chain. That's like glutes and glutes, hamstring and lower back, and then I am squatting the Monday, the schedule routine. Let's go, body. The view of where I am and morning time. At Delhi about that habits, they're really good for body, for studying mechanism, and the very cool guys. I am when I'm wake up, then I am push up 50, and then really good for starting, and I think long term is very good for you know then you really got it. So there, good morning guys. I am really here. I am sleeping there of top the floor, and right now because right now is summer time, and what about the weather? Okay, I am talking to improve my English, and sometimes I won't talk about, and I am talking about local language, and I am improving my English and some skills, and this is this is about me and myself and skill. There is the possibility of myself and how to present myself for English, and some of this is okay. This is skill, call it. And okay, let's go guys. Right now I'm working, and let's go.